Hello, Hairdresser here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix all issues with your HBO Max app on iOS. So, what you're doing first is going to the App Store, go to the search bar, HBO, go here, and where you got the open bar, there should be update bar. If you have issue, maybe you just need to update to the newest version. But if the issue is still popping up where you got newest version, there are two more ways to fix this. So first, maybe you got something in the settings, goes all the way down, go here, HBO, go here, and maybe you got just other language or the background app refresh is off. Maybe here is the issue. But if your issue is still popping out and I don't know, you got some problem, you just need to go back to the App Store, go here, go app, remove the app, uninstall, and just reinstall the HBO, and all issues should be gone. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.